Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today I'll be showing you how to find your hidden chats on your Viber account, and now let's dive right in. Now to find the hidden chats on your Viber account, first open up your Viber app on your Android phone, and over here guys we have already opened the Viber app on our phone. And now in order to find the hidden chats or see the hidden chats on the Viber app itself, you can see you need to know thing that is you will be required to assign a code while hiding that chat on Viber. I repeat, you will be assigned or you'll be required to assign a code to hide that chat on Viber and with any personnel you like. So in order to find that chat, you can see at the top right corner of your Viber account or your Viber app on your device, there is a magnifying glass icon, or which is the search icon. Tap on that search icon and search for that number guys which you had used to hide that chat. So in my case it's 7836 for me, and you can see guys three chats appeared, and on their profile picture there is a small eye with a slash or the cross sign over here, which means these are the hidden chats. So in order to find your hidden chats on your Viber guys, you just need to find, or you can just need to search for the code you use to hide the chat. And that being said guys, this is how you find the hidden chats on your Viber account on your Android device. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, please feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.